those are the hello guys, welcome to my live section, guys. Hello guys, welcome to my live section. Welcome guys to my live section. How you guys doing today, guys? How you guys doing today? How you guys doing today, guys? Welcome guys to my live section. Welcome guys to my live section. How you guys doing today? Welcome guys to my live section. How you guys doing today? So we are to start analysis with dollar index. Let's start with dollar index, guys. Let's start analysis with dollar index. Hope you guys have a good night rest. So you have to learn always have learn how to have good rest. Always learn how to rest before. Always learn how to rest. Good rest is very, very important. Always learn how to have a good rest. So when you rest well, it also helps you to have a stick to your trading plan and reduce fatigue, which is stress. So let's look at what the dollar index is saying on the weekly time frame. Let's look at what dollar index is saying on the weekly time frame. So the dollar index on my weekly time frame, you can clearly see that price close. We have price close on the support level on the dollar index on the weekly time frame. You can see we have price close on these support areas. So we have price close on these support areas. So we expect price to reject to this area, then we start looking for sell. So the dollar index, we need price to come to all these stock, guys. We need price to come to all these stock before make any decision. But if price fail to come to this area, we will not make our decision. So we need price to come from this support to this resistance. If price fail to break this resistance, we start looking for say price break, we start looking for more buy to the top. So the dollar index on the weekly, we still have a bullish structure. So long we have the bullish structure on the weekly time frame, our aim is to still look at more of the buying opportunity on the weekly time frame. And currently we still have price on the support level. So long we have price on the support level on the dollar index on the weekly time frame, and we have a bullish structure, I will encourage you to look out for more of the buying opportunity on the dollar index. Look out for more of the buying opportunity on the dollar index, because we cannot trade against the higher time frame direction. If you are trading against the higher time frame direction, trust me, you are risking your hard-earned money. You have to value your money. That's why you must follow the higher time frame direction. Don't trade against the higher time frame direction, guys. So focus your attention on trading the higher time frame direction. So let's look at the daily time frame of the dollar index. Let's look at the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, so on the daily time frame, you can clearly see that. Come in, let me plug. So guys, let's continue. So we don't want to trade against the higher time frame direction. Now the higher time frame telling us to buy, do more of the buying than selling, because we have a bullish structure and price currently on the higher time frame. Price currently on the higher time frame support level. So you can see from the daily time frame now, we have price currently on the range. So we have price in this range. So we need price to break above to this resistance and retest. Then we'll start looking for a buy to the top. So long the higher time frame is telling us to buy. So we need price to move higher this week. So we need price to move to this resistance level. So before making any decision for dollar index, so expect more buys from the dollar index this week. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame of the dollar index. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. So on the dollar index 4-hour time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, we can clearly see that we still have consolidation trend on the 4-hour time frame, which you can see we have price still up, down, up, down, up. So there's no breakout yet. So we need price to break out above this high to push price to this resistance, then and break of this resistance to push price, retest, then we start looking for the buy to this next resistance. So we are still expecting price to push higher for the dollar index, guys. So but we need a confirmation and break this above this area to be a good area for us to join the buy. So we have to be patient and wait for price to pull out for us to join the buys on the dollar index. So let's look at our next pair. Let's look at the next pair, which is the pounds USD. So pounds USD on my weekly time frame, clearly see we are seeing a sideways trend. We don't have a clear direction. We are seeing a sideways trend. So we need price to break out for us to have a clearer direction on the pounds USD. If you look at the pounds USD, you can see we have this strong consolidation period. We have strong consolidation period. So on the down, we also have strong consolidation. So we don't have a clearer direction yet on pounds USD. So we know there's no clear direction for pounds USD. So all we need from the pounds USD, we need price to break below. Then we'll start looking for possible sell to the down. For buy scenario, we need price to break above, then start looking for possible buy to the top. So for now, the pounds USD still remains sideways trend. We don't have a clearer picture. Let's look at the daily time frame. If the lower time frame pictures to have a good areas for possible buying opportunity or selling opportunity. So on the daily time frame, we can also see that we are currently on a range also. We don't have a clearer picture for the pounds, and we can also see that currently we have this higher low, and higher low. This is an inner structure movement, but we also have price on the resistance. So we cannot buy from this resistance level. This might push price back to this area. So we don't have a clear direction on the pounds on USD, both on the weekly, both on the daily. So long we don't have a clear direction, so we have to let pounds for now rest. We have to let pounds for now rest because we don't have a clearer direction for the pounds USD. So let's look at other pairs where we can see good synergy to trade. So let's look at the Euro USD, which is our next pair. So guys, if you're just joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. So long we have price on the weekly time frame on Euro USD still remain downtrend. We can see we have a clear bearish structure. You can see we have a clear strong bearish structure. You can see we have a clear bearish structure, which is now have this higher high. Then you can see we have lower high, and lower high. So this is a clear bearish structure for euro to the downside. So now we have this clear bearish structure, and currently you can see we have price on this resistance and this resistance. If you are buying from this area, just know that your money is already gone. There's no discussion about that. If you are buying from that area, your money is gone. Trust me, your money is gone. For that particular area is a very strong level of a resistance level. So if you are selling from that level, your money is gone, trust me. So I don't advise you to sell from such level. So I don't advise you to buy from such level. If you buy from that level, your money is gone, trust me. Your money is gone. So what are we expecting from euro on the weekly? So long we have this bearish structure and price going on the resistance level. So we expect price to come to this support before making any decision. See price on this support level. If price fail to break this support, this might push price back to the top. But if price break, we might see price to this next support, and the break of this support will trigger the major sell we are looking for to this next level. So this is what we're expecting from the euro USD. Let's look at the daily time frame of euro USD. So on my daily time frame, I'm waiting for price to give me a series of lower high, because the current trend on the daily time frame, you can see we have this lower low, then higher low, then higher low, and higher low. So long we have this series of higher lows, we don't want to trade against the higher time frame direction, and the daily is telling us to what price have a series of higher low, which it feels that we are supposed to buy from the daily time frame. But we don't want to trade against the higher time frame, which is the weekly direction. We don't want to trade against it, because we value our hard-earned money. We value our hard-earned money. We don't want to trade against it, guys. We value our hard-earned money. So what we expect now, we need price to take out this area, which is we need price to take out that area, then give us a series of lower highs for us to join the sell to the down on Euro USD. So we'll be staying out of Euro USD until we get a clearer confirmation for us to join the sales on Euro USD. So I'll be staying out for Euro USD for now. Once I get a confirmation for us to sell, I'll be looking for sell on Euro USD. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, you can clearly see that we still have a bullish structure on the 4-hour time frame. So long we have this bullish structure, we stay neutral on Euro until we see a series of lower highs. Then we'll start looking for possible sell for Euro. So for now, I don't have any clear direction. I don't have any clear direction on Euro USD, because I want the Euro to align with the weekly time frame. If price can align with the weekly time frame, we'll be making our decision on Euro USD. Let's look at the Australia USD. Please, guys, if you're not joining us, please do well to like and subscribe to the channel. Please do well to like and subscribe to the channel if you're joining us. Let's look at the Australia USD. So Australia USD, we are currently have a bullish structure on the weekly time frame, because we have a series of higher lows. We have a series of higher lows, and we can also see that we also have this price currently on this resistance zone. So we cannot buy from that resistance zone. We need price to drop to a support area. We have a support at this area. This can trigger a buy. So from this current level, I don't encourage you to buy from that resistance level. But we see price break this support, this will trigger more sell to this support area. And we see price break this support, this will trigger more sell to these areas. So for now, we don't have any clear structure for Australia. So on Australia USD, let's go back to the weekly time frame. Let's draw the level we're expecting price to buy from. So let's draw the level. So the only way I can buy from this Australia, I need price to come above this area. Then wait for a test for me to join the buy to the top. So then, except I can see price on this support area for me to buy to the top. So I don't have a clear direction yet on Australia. So on the 1 hour, on the daily time frame, we can clearly see we also have a bullish structure, guys. So we can expect price to come to this support for us to buy to the top. If price fail to come to that support, we stay out of Australia for now. Even if we see price on this area, we need a confirmation candle for us to buy. So we wait for price to come to those areas for us to make our decision. That is what we are expecting from the Australia USD. So let's look at the next pair, which is the USD GPY. We are currently in profit on USD GPY. If you follow my live analysis yesterday, we took this trade on the live section yesterday. We took this trade here with you guys live yesterday. So yesterday, we said we expect price to buy, and truly price is currently buying. So you can see that price is truly buying currently on. So price is really currently buying, because we said we expect price to what? to buy yesterday. So always join my live section. I always give out values, quality trade setup that can give you good profit in a long term. Always join my live section. Always join my live section. So on the USD GPY on the weekly time frame, you can clearly see we have strong bullish structure. We have strong bullish structure, which indicates the bullish trend for the USD GPY. So long you have this strong bullish structure, expect price to move to this resistance area, and a break of this resistance will trigger more buy. If price fail, we might see price pushing lower before we see up again. So expect more buys from the USD JPY. Let's look at the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, let's look at the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, you can see we have price rejected from this support, and we can see also that we have price creating lower low, then higher low and higher low, which signify a bullish trend, which indicates we expect more bullish move to the top for the USD JPY. So we took this trade yesterday from the 4-hour time frame. As we took this trade, if you go and watch my live section yesterday, we discussed it and we took this trade from this area. Price is still, we are in profit already, and we also lock part of our profit. So we expect more by this. I told you guys yesterday that this trade might last up to 1 week or 2 weeks for a price to hit this our target. So we expect price to keep pushing higher. So we're holding this trade until we price hit our target, except to see a reason to go out of the trade. Once we see a reason to go out, we go out with our small profit, or if price hit our target to be a good one for us. So we are still expecting price to continue to push higher. We still expect price to continue to push higher for the USD JPY. So look out for more the buying opportunity on USD JPY. Look out for more of the buying opportunity, guys, on the USD JPY. Look out for more of the buying opportunity on USD JPY. Because we can't trade against the major trend direction. Can't trade against the major trend direction. So if you are trading in direction of the higher time frame direction, you will enjoy trading. If you are trading in direction of the higher time frame, you always enjoy trading. So you always enjoy trading. So don't trade against the higher time frame direction. So let's look at the next pair, which is gold USD. Let's start our analysis from the weekly time frame. So gold USD on my weekly time frame still find difficult to break. We are still finding difficult to break this level. We are still finding difficult to break that resistance. And we can see that we also have lower high, and lower highs. So long we have this series of lower high, we expect price to drop to this support area. If price breaks that support, we trigger more sell for gold to the down. But if price fail, then push price back to the top. So gold on the weekly say main bearish. You see have a bearish trend on the weekly. So let's drop down to the daily time frame. Long you have the bearish on the weekly, we have to look out for areas we can also join this weekly sales. So if you can get a series of lower highs on gold, you'll be joining gold sell. And once I get a confirmation of series of lower highs, I'll be joining gold sales to the down. I won't hesitate to do that. I'll be joining the gold sales to the down. So I'm patiently waiting for that confirmation for me to join the gold sales to the down, guys. I'm patiently waiting for that confirmation. So once I get that confirmation, I'll be joining the gold sales. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. So guys, if you're joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. So on the 4-hour time frame, you can clearly see that we have a break of structure around this area. So and we also have this lower low and higher low. So we need price to break this level, then retest, then we first start looking for possible more sell or go to this next support area on the 4-hour time frame. So wait for a clear break of price below this higher low. So once we see the clear break, expect a retest, then we'll start looking for the sell. So this will push gold more lower. So we expect price to continue to push lower. Once we have the confirmation, we'll be joining gold sales. Once we have this confirmation, I'll be joining the gold for sales. So I'll be patiently waiting for that confirmation for me to join the gold sales. But if I can get it on the daily time frame, I'll be joining the sell. If I get it on the 4-hour time frame, I'll be joining the sell. So I'll be just be patient and wait for that confirmation. One thing I always do in my trading, that I always focus on higher time frame direction. That is what is giving me my quality trade setup, and that is why I'm always making profits in my trade. That's why I always have confidence to call my trade on the live section. I know a lot of you guys will be surprised that this guy always call trade on the live section. It's not afraid of calling trade for people that is not afraid of people to drag him. Yes, because I have confidence. I have over 18 years trading experience in this financial market. So that's why I'm always confident to call my trade. That's why I'm always confident to call my trade. So that's why I'm always confident to call my trade. I'm not scared to call any trade. And that's why I only have profitable weeks and profitable months. So let's continue with the analysis. Let's be patient. Let's wait for God to give us our confirmation for us to join this set. Let's look at the next pair, which is BTC. So the BTC, you can see from my daily time, a weekly time frame on BTC. BTC on the weekly time frame, we can clearly see that we have a strong bearish structure on the BTC, which is we have a series of lower highs. But currently we have price on this support. So long you have price on this support, we need price to reverse back to this resistance before we start looking for sell. So once we get that confirmation for the sell, we'll be joining the BTC. So once we see price around this area, we'll be joining BTC for sell. So for now, we don't have any clear reasons to sell BTC, though, but look out for lower time frame structures for you to join the BTC buy to this area before we start looking for sell. For sure, expect BTC to come to this area. So let's look at the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, you can clearly see that we don't have a clearer structure yet to join the BTC buy. So we need price to break above these highs. Then we'll be looking for buy. Once the price above this, I will buy to this resistance. Then we'll start looking for sell back to the downside. So BTC for now, we don't have a clear structure yet. So once we get the clear structure, I'll be updating you guys on the live section. So that's why you must subscribe to this channel and always attend my live section for more trading tips and forex analysis. So let's continue. So if you're joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. I'm always live here Monday to Friday. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. So let's look at the next pair, which is CAD USD. So the CAD USD on my weekly time frame, you can clearly see that we have a bullish structure. You can see we have price creating this higher low, then higher low, and this lower low, and we have this high. So all we need now, we expect price to move back to the top. So, but we cannot join the buys to the top. We need the confirmation. So on the daily time frame, let's look at the daily time frame, guys. On the daily time frame, we need price to give us a series of higher lows for us to join the buy to the top. So I'll be waiting for that setup, guys. I'll be waiting for the setup to join buys. I'm expecting a strong buy from USD card. I'm expecting a strong buy from USD card. So USD card is a very good pair to trade. If you can get a series of higher lows, expect strong buy from USD card. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, you can clearly see that we still have a bearish structure. So if you can get price above this structure high on the 4-hour time frame, then we'll start looking for a strong buy for a long period of time. The buy might last up to like 1 month to 2 months on the USD card. So we expect a strong bullish move on USD card once we get the clear structure break I will update you guys on my live session. So that's why you must subscribe to my live session so that anytime I'm live, you'll be notified to join the live session. Please do well to like and subscribe to the channel. If you're joining us, please do well to like and subscribe to the channel. If you're first time joining us, please do well to like and subscribe to the channel. So let's continue with the analysis, guys. Let's continue with the analysis. Let's look at the next pair, which is our US30. So US30, you'll be following my analysis. US30 currently have a strong bullish uptrend structure on the weekly time frame. You can see we have this higher low, and higher low. So long we have this series of higher low, expect more bullish trend for the US30. So we expect price to react to this support and fail to close below it, then we'll start looking for the buy to the top. So we're expecting a buying opportunity from this US30 next week, but we can also come in this week to get that opportunity for the buy. Let's look at the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, price is currently reacting to the level already. We can get our confirmation, we will join the buy on the US30 to the top. So because US30 have a strong bullish move, so give US30 your 100% attention to picture to catch the buy, guys. So let's look at the 4-hour time frame. So the 4-hour time frame, we need series of higher lows for us to join the buy. So US30 remains strongly bullish, guys. So expect more strong bullish move on US30. So expect strong move on US30. Let's look at the next pair, which is the USD CHF. So USD CHF on my weekly time frame, you can see we have strong bullish trend. You can see we have strong bullish trend on USD CHF, which is we have this lower low, higher low, higher low, higher low, and higher low. So long you have these strong bullish structures, expect strong buy, guys. Expect strong buy to this resistance. From this resistance, expect price to this resistance. So this is a very strong bullish opportunity for the USD CHF. I'm currently looking for ways to join the USD CHF buy, but I don't have a clear direction yet. So let's look at the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, you can see we see have series of higher low, higher low, higher low. So we need price to break above this high for a clear structural break. Then we'll start looking for to join the buy to the top on the daily time frame. So we don't have a clear direction yet. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. So for the 4-hour time frame, so on the 4-hour time frame, we can see we still have no clear picture of the trend here. So the 4-hour time frame also signify the same thing. Also, we need price to break above. We test, then we'll add more buy to the top. So we're waiting for that breakout for us to make decision on this USD CHF. So USD CHF not that clear yet. So we have to be patient. We have to be patient for us to get that clear move. So let's look at the next pair, which is the Euro GPY. So Euro GPY still remain on a sideways trend. So we are clearly on a sideways trend. We don't have a clear structure yet on Euro GPY. So once we get a clear structure, we update you guys. So we now have our pounds JPY. So pound JPY look good for bullish structure. So we expect more buys on the pound JPY. Price currently reacting to this support, which is to push price to this resistance level. So long the price push reach that resistance level, we have to look out for buy on our lower time frame. Let's look at the daily time frame. So the daily time frame, expect price to continue to push higher on the daily time frame. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, so we need good entry level for us to join the buys. Guys, look at these support areas. Price can reach this level. This will push price back to the top. So we need price to give us good areas for us to join the buys. Let's look at the next pair, which is the pounds AUD. So pounds AUD still not clear for me. I still remain on the sideways trend. So once I get the clear area, I can make my decision. Let's look at the pounds card. Pounds card, we have this lower low and higher low, then higher low. So this series of higher low get a bullish trend. So we have to look out for buying opportunity from the pounds card. Let's look at the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we need price to give a series of higher lows for us to join the buy. So once we get the clear picture, we'll be doing that. So we don't have a clear entries yet on the daily time frame. Once we get it, I will update you guys on this live session, please. So please do it to like and subscribe to the channel so that once the setup unfold, I'll be updating you guys. Let's look at the next pair, which is Euro AUD. You can see we have lower highs, lower highs, and lower highs. So this in case we see expect price to drop to this support area. So expect more drop on Euro AUD. So if you have been following my analysis since you are supposed to be in profit on this particular Euro AUD, but I said I expect price to continue to drop on it, and price is really dropping on it. So this week we have this entry level. I missed that entry, so I was not in this particular trade. That is why I'm out of the Euro AUD. So if I can get a new entry, I will update you guys. So let's look at the next pair, which is the Euro card. Euro card still don't have a clear picture for us to make a decision. So we see remain sideways. Let's look at the Euro. The Euro pounds remain very bearish. We still have a bearish structure. You can see we have a bearish structure, which is have a series of lower highs, but price is currently reacting to this support. Price is currently reacting to this support, and we don't want to involve ourselves in selling from this weekly support. So let's go to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we can get signals from this weekly level, or we can wait for price to break this level for us to join this sell. So we still expect more sell from this Euro pounds. Expect more sell from this Euro pounds. Once we have the confirmation, we'll update you guys. So let's look at the next pair, which is the which is the our next pair, which is the Euro CHF. Euro CHF can see price close above this resistance. We will test and continue to buy to the top. So let's look at the daily time frame. On daily time frame, price is currently pushing higher, so expect more buy for the Euro CHF. Let's look at the next pair, which is the pound CHF. Please guys, when you're joining us, please do to like and subscribe to the channel. The pound CHF on my weekly time frame still remain bullish. You can see we see a bullish structure on the weekly time frame. So I said I expect price to react to these areas for making our decision, and price still not react to those areas. So until we see a reaction of price below this area, then we join the buy to the top. Let's look at the daily time frame. The daily time frame is already pushing. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. So look out for your buying opportunity above these areas for continuous buy on the CHF on the 4-hour time frame. So let's look at our next pair. So please guys, if you're joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. If you're joining us, please subscribe to the channel, guys. If you're joining us. So we always want to align our setup. We don't want to trade against the market direction. We always want to align our setup. don't want to trade against the market direction. We always want to align our setup. So if you're just joining us, please do well to like and subscribe to the channel. Please do well to like and subscribe to the channel. If you're joining us, please do well to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Then if you have any question, leave it in the chat box. Leave your questions in the chat box, guys. Leave your questions in the chat box. So let's continue. So we can clearly see that the next pair, which is the Euro New Zealand, is currently on a sideways trend, guys. We are currently on a sideways trend, guys. So we need a breakout of this level with a retest for to join the sell to the down with our target at this area. So we wait patiently for that setup. I'll be waiting patiently for that setup. So let's look at the next pair. So we have in pounds New Zealand, which is we have higher low and higher low. But we need price to break out this high to trigger the bullish move. So for now we don't have a clear direction for this for the pounds New Zealand. So wait for a clear picture on the structure. So the next pair, which is the New Zealand USD. New Zealand USD. For now, you can see the price still ranging. I want a lovely structure, market structure, not a ranging market structure. I want a lovely market structure, not a ranging market structure. This is what I want.
I'm buying now.
So guys, I'm back. We just have a visitor that was holding us back. I'm back, guys. I'm back, guys. So let's continue with the analysis. We can see we have on the New Zealand USD, you can see we don't have a clear picture. We still have a sideways trend on New Zealand USD. So we expect price to drop below for us to look for sales. But we have a good structure. I saw something now. We have this higher high, then lower high, and a lower high. Then we also have this breakout here. So if we can have a series of lower highs from the daily and the 4-hour time frame, this price might set to this area and this area. So let's drop down to the 4-hour time frame and the daily time frame. So we can get that confirmation. So I'm waiting for price to give me series of lower highs. I will be looking for sell. Get me now? This will be the major structural break. This will be the major structural break. This will be the major structural break. So once we get that major structural break, I'll be making my decision. Once I get the major structural break, I'll be making my decision. So let's look at the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, this level still remains its major structural break. So we need this price to break it, then we'll start looking for possible sell to the down. So that is for the New Zealand USD. Let's look at the next pair, which is the AUD GPY. You can see AUD GPY. We need price to break out of this high. Then start looking for more buy to the top. So wait for that structural confirmation before making any decision. So Euro GPY still remain our best pair for the week, and we are currently in profit on the USD GPY. So we are currently in profit on USD GPY. If you are on my live section yesterday, we can see we call this trade on the live session yesterday. You go and watch my live section yesterday. We call this trade on this live section. So, and you can see we are seeing good profit. We also post the trade on my Telegram group. You can also join my Telegram group so that anytime I post trade, you can also get notified. My signals are free, but I also have a VIP section. On these free signals, I only post one trade a week. So on the VIP, we post 2 to 4 trades a week because I'm a swing trader. I always look for the best setup to trade. So that is why I always have less trade. At the end of the month, we can have up to like 15 to 20 trade at the end of the month, and with good return in profit. So you can register for my one-on-one mentorship, or you can also apply for my video course. The link is in the description below, or you can also join my VIP group. The link is in the description below. So it's not less for you to make your decision. So the only trade we actually learn is the USD GPY. That's the only good trade we have at hand. So we keep holding our USD JPY. So we don't have any trade set up until we price hit our target or we see a reason to go at. So we keep holding our trade, guys. We keep holding our trade. So if you're just joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. We keep holding our buy on the USD JPY. We keep holding our buys on USD JPY. Please, if you're just joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. We are currently in good profit. We're currently in good profit on the USD JPY. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. We appreciate you if you can subscribe. We appreciate if you can subscribe to the channel. And please also share this live with others so that others can get access to this vital information I'm sharing with you guys. Please share the live with others so that others can get access to this vital information. I always want to serve you guys better with what I have. I always like to serve you guys better with the good information I have. So I always like to serve you guys better. I always want to serve you better, guys. I always want to serve you better. I always want to serve you better. So if you are just joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Then you can also join my Telegram group. The link is in the description below, so that anytime I'm live, you notify. Please let's continue to hold our buys on the USD JPY. In my Profim account, I'm currently in $100 profits. So let's keep holding, guys. Let's keep holding. Let's keep holding, guys. Let's keep holding. Trading require patience. Only those that are patient can make profit from trading. If you are not patient, forget about profit in trading. If you are not patient, forget about profit in trading. Only the patient can make profit from trading. And you must also stick to your trading plan. Then you must have a plan you are working with. You must have a plan you are working with. You just don't trade because you want to trade. You must have a plan you are working with. You must have a plan you are working with. I'm currently posting my profits on the USGPY on the free Telegram group. I'm currently posting my profit there. So guys, always guys, share this live, share the live, share the live, share the live, share the live to others to get access to it. Share the live. If I'm providing you value, if anybody recommend, also get value. So please, guys, share the live, share the live, share the live, guys. Share the live, guys. Share the live, guys. Share the live, guys. Let me play some music. If you have any question, please just leave your question in the chat box. Leave your questions in the chat box, guys. If you have any question, leave your questions in the chat box. If you have any questions, guys, leave it in the chat box. Leave your questions in the chat box. Leave your questions in the chat box. If you have any questions, leave it in the chat box. And please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe. So we are still in good profit in the Euro JPY, USD JPY. We are still in good profit. We are still in good profit. We are still in good profit, guys. We are still in good profit, guys. So we are waiting for Euro confirmation and gold confirmation for us to join the sales on gold. So once we get this confirmation, I'll be updating you guys. Once we get the sales confirmation on gold, I'll be updating you. So once we get sales confirmation on Euro, I'll be also updating you guys. So please subscribe to my channel, guys. Subscribe to my channel so that anytime I'm live, you'll be notified. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. Please subscribe. I'm always live here Monday to Friday. If you have any question, please do it to ask your question. Please do it to ask your questions. If you have any question, please do it to ask your questions. I'm always live here Monday to Friday. Please do it to ask your questions. Please do it to ask your question. So do it to ask your question. Please do it to ask your questions. Do it to ask your questions. So do it to ask your questions, guys. Do it to ask your questions. Do it to ask your questions. Please do it to ask your questions, guys. Do it to ask your questions. I'm always live here Monday to Friday. Please do it to ask your questions, guys. If you're joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. I'm I'm always live here Monday to Friday. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. So I'm always live here Monday to Friday. Do it to like and subscribe to the channel. We are currently in profit on the USGPY. And we are still holding our trade. Please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe. Please subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe. If you're joining us, please do it to like and subscribe. We're always here Monday to Friday. So if you're joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. We are currently trading the USD GBPUSD. We are in good profit. We took this trade yesterday in our live section. So please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. So that anytime we are live, you also be notified, and you also join our live section. So guys, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Well, you know, guys, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. We are currently trading the USGPY live, so do it to like and subscribe to the channel so that anytime we are live again trading, you'll be notified. I always give out live analysis and free trading signals in my live section. So please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe to the channel, guys. So on this particular trade, you have to be patient for price to hit our target. This trade might last up to 2 weeks for price to hit this target. So I'll be patient and hold this trade till price hit my target. Please subscribe to the channel so that anytime I'm live, you'll be notified. Please do it to subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. Please do it to like and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe, do it to like and subscribe. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe to the channel, guys. I'm always live here Monday to Friday. I'm always live here Monday to Friday. Please subscribe to the channel, guys. You can also ask any question you want me to do. Any question, please do it to ask your questions. Any pair you want to analyze for you, please do it to ask your question. Then I'll be live here with you. Ask your questions, guys. I'm always live here to answer your questions. Please do it to ask your questions. So we are waiting for other pair to give us confirmation to join the sales. The EURUSD and the gold. We are waiting for them to give us confirmation. So let me just draw my plan so that you guys can see my plan. So I'm expecting price to break low, retest. Now I will start looking for a sell to this area. So this is my plan. So this is my trade plan. Then for the euro, I need price to break. I need price to break low, retest. Then I would not like to join the sales. So this is what I'm expecting from euro. So I'll be patiently waiting for the setup. If you'll be following my analysis, that is the analysis I made on this USD GPY. I said I expect price. If you follow my analysis at Monday, said I expect price. No, last week, said I expect price to break above this high, so that this support, this resistance turn to support. Then after they will now have a shopping market. Then price now drop down to support this support. So I will bought from this support with our target at this area. So that is why we are trading this particular pair. We are still expecting more buy on this. We are still expecting more buy on this. I'm buying. So we expect more buy, guys. We expect more buy. Okay. So we're expecting more buy, guys. So if you're not joining us, please do to like and subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel, guys, if you're joining us. Please subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm always live here Monday to Friday. Please do to like and subscribe to the channel. Please do to like and subscribe to the channel. Please do to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm always live here Monday to Friday. Please do to like and subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel, guys. If you're joining us, please do to like and subscribe to the channel. I'm always live here Monday to Friday. So subscribe, guys. Let's continue to buy, guys. Let's continue to buy. If you're joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel, guys. So I'll be getting a short break. So I'll be coming back again by the US section. I'll be coming back again by US section, guys. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. So I'll be coming back live by US section. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. So that's when I'm live, you'll be notified, guys. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. So I'll be coming back by the US section, which is by 2 o'clock. So I'll stream by 3 o'clock. So I'll be coming back by 2. So guys, please do well to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. So see you guys later in the day. I'll be coming back live by 2. Thank you guys for attending my live. I really appreciate your efforts for staying live here with me. I appreciate you guys. Love you guys. I love you guys. Thank you guys. Then if you have any question by US session, then leave the question. I will attend to those your questions. Like, thank you guys for attending to my live section. See you later.